Good afternoon. From the sodium attacker. We like mustard. Put it on our burgers, put some in potato salad. Really good on top of a meatloaf when you bake it. All kinds of things we use mustard for. Regular mustard, 1 tablespoon, 165 milligrams of sodium. Sprouts Family Market has got stone ground mustard. It says no salt added, and the back label says no sodium. We can order this on Amazon. Healthy Heart Market. You can order a 0 sodium mustard. They also have some low sodium mustard dips you might just really like. Takes about a week and a half for the product to get to you. Walmart has a mustard that is 16 milligrams per tablespoon. That's not too bad. It's kind of creamy, but they didn't have it last time I went. Maybe they'll have it the next time. If there's a lot of mustard used in your home, you might want to think about switching. Getting rid of this one. This is empty. I just keep it so I can check on the milligrams on the back. Here's my tip for the day. Got you thinking a little bit. Please leave me a like, a comment, or a question. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on lowering your sodium and getting you motivated towards looking for it in your foods. We want to keep you underneath that number that your doctor said stay under every day. It's working for us. My husband's blood tests come out great. His sodium is staying low. 2.5 years. We're doing something right. I'm going to show you how. And I'd like you to do it too.